Mama, I never meant to hurt you. I never meant to make you cry, but tonight I'm cleaning out my closet. Sorry, just had to throw that one out there. Anyways, everybody, welcome back to everybody. Welcome back to everybody. Anyways, like I was saying, welcome back to Noise Lab 3 mod. Currently, at the time of this recording, Fast Food Saloon just came out. So yeah. Today we're gonna be doing the cursed Peppibot Factory. Yes, I'm scared. Why do you ask? Still dead. Cool. No! I didn't even kill Snotty, did I? I think I did. No apologies. Alright. Let's get something. Alright. Let's get something cleared over here. Here we go, Bubba. Let me be straight here. Let me be, so for real with you. This will suck. It will suck. With the noise again. Every single level's been pretty easy since Deep Dish 9 we're here. We are in the factory. If I get this first try with a P rank, you have got to subscribe. Don't lie to me. If I get a P, you will subscribe. Don't lie to me. If I get a P, will you subscribe? Don't even lie. Don't try to hide. Oh! Let me be honest. I have been concerned about the channel's video quality. Not gonna lie, it's not going good for me. Listen, I think so. But the levels are getting better, so is my editing. But here I am now, insisting that I'm not getting as many views as I used to do. So can we just try to get a view boost? So here we go, my dudes. Can we just do everything that I'll say in the next day? So here we go. Oh, can we beat the goal? Oh, here we go. Oh, do. Yow! If I want to make you happy, I'll continue uploading till I finish this with the series. If all well, then I'll just have to go to hell. Here we go, bro. 1, 2, 3. Most of the time I wouldn't go for just another day. Can leave, my bro. Let's just go. This is real life. Now it's pizza time. Here we go. I'm trying to make this one of the better videos, if you can't already tell. Here we go. It's the time to go. Here we go. Here we go. If you don't go, so let's go. Noise. Let's go. Noise. Here we go. Let's go, my boy. Alright, so if you can't already tell, this is gonna suck a lot. Because Peppibot Factory Lab 3 is the worst in, well, one of the worst in the game. I don't know how war would go with the noise. I guess probably not good. God. I hate this secret so much. It's satisfying. But I really hate this secret. Work it like this. Let's go. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Nice. Look at that, a P rank. Better subscribe. No, my P rank. Oh yeah. Oh, gonna get that. 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 Oh yeah. Oh gonna get that. Yeah. Come on. It's just this first try, right? Just this first try. I'm not gonna make it. I'm probably gonna die. Oh no. Don't mind me, just gonna skedaddle. Whoa. Ah. He looked at me funny, I had to hit him. Whoa! Eat it! Just eat it. What do you mean not left foot? Well, didn't get a P rank gold first try. But you should still subscribe. Yes? No? Okay. Well, everybody, if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'm sure to see you guys next time. Goodbye. I can finally play Minecraft. Let's go. Let's go. I can finally play Minecraft in Pizza Tower. Is that a...